Hi, my name is John Ryder, and I'm a senior sales rep here at DuraTech Industries. Today, we're going to be talking about the incredible exciting topic of Supplier Managed Inventory, or SMI. Okay, listen, it's not that exciting, but it is really important to some of our customers, so today we wanted to outline how it works here at DuraTech. SMI is the process where the supplier manages or generates orders and holds stock for the customer based on their demand information. SMI reduces or eliminates the customer's responsibility to monitor inventory and the need to contact the supplier for parts that are in the program. During the SMI process, the supplier is guided by mutually agreed upon objectives for inventory levels, fill rates, and transaction costs. In this continuous replenishment process, the supplier is able to project and anticipate the amount of product it needs to produce, stock, and supply to the customer. Basically, the supplier produces and manages the inventory based on demand information supplied by their customer. Now, DuraTech offers three types of SMI: on-site at the customer's facility, through a local distribution service provider like Fastenal, or inventory held at a DuraTech location. And this is the most common type for us. So let's talk about the last SMI inventory being held at DuraTech. There are basically three different types of stocking arrangements that we manage. Kanban. Now, Kanban is a just-in-time ordering system designed to keep our customers' in-house inventory low. Kanban uses stocking quantities that are agreed upon, and DuraTech manages replacement inventory. Orders are then generated and released by the customer through their just-in-time system, pulling from the inventory that we have on hand. There are stocking agreements. Stocking agreements are managed by DuraTech and typically are an ongoing arrangement. DuraTech usually produces 3, 6, 9, or even 12 months worth of inventory, depending on the agreement. With this type of program, DuraTech will decide to build inventory based on the customer's need and agreed upon risk levels for inventory. We may use an agreed upon min-max formula, forecast from our customer, or actual usage to trigger production. We will automatically replenish inventory as needs and demands dictate within the guidelines of the stocking agreement. And lastly, blanket POs. Blanket POs are submitted by the customer, and that is what triggers production. DuraTech will hold this inventory for up to a year and release parts based on our customers' needs. When we run low of stock, we will inform our customer and ask for a new blanket PO so we can again replenish our inventory levels. So those are the basics of the different supplier managed inventory programs that we run here at DuraTech. Join us next time when we discuss more exciting information on how the process works.